What's up, my peeps? Welcome back to ItsM3Mariska. I'm Mariska. My mom's holding the camera.
Hello, everyone.
Today I'm building the lovely MTV from Brickcraft, the Lego.
This is not a paid or sponsored promotion. And what is it? Which MTV what?
It's the little...
Is it the boombox?
Yeah.
Radio boombox type of thing?
Yeah.
Okay. So put it close up and show what the box really looks like first.
The box is really cool.
How cool it is.
Side, back, the other side, the front.
Oh, that is really neat. And here's the first bag.
Is that the first bag? Yeah.
And here's the second bag.
I thought they were going to make me scan the QR code just to build this thing. No, it comes with instructions. I'm like, wait, what are they going to do if a kid doesn't have a phone?
So let me see. Your first step that you're going to do should be marked with number 1.
I got it. That was cool. Okay, so first you need this piece. 2 of these, and what is it? No, this piece. The one without this on the side. So you're going to take this, that there, ow, that there, put that on there, this one in the middle.
Step 1 look like
that.
Okay.
Step 2. You take this piece, put it right here in front of the other piece. Then you take 2 of these pieces and put them on top of the little green pieces right here.
Well, this is turning out to be neat. I like the colors.
I do too.
I really think the color is really cool.
Take a no, I feel like I'm losing it. Take this piece. It has this. Nope. There's 4 little things on it. Take
There's
that.
8.
Oh.
It makes
8.
2 squares, but
And I'll put that on top of the green block. Take. Is this supposed to open the other box?
the other bag, probably. Just open it and put them together. Not going to hurt anything.
It makes step 1 so much harder because they literally have the bag numbered.
That's okay. It doesn't matter.
Ow!
You're going to need the pieces, so be careful.
That's all. Yeah, that's all.
Okay.
And then we take this piece. And this piece. Nope. I lied. Not that piece. This one.
Okay.
Where is it? No. You go there. Okay. And you go there. And you go there.
Okay, so put it close to the screen and show what you got done so far.
This is, hold on. What? Hold on, technical difficulties.
If you're not sure, I can help you a minute.
I got it.
Okay. So what you got so far?
Oh, hold on. Go there. Go there. Go on. The Lego. Cool. Technical difficulties. Got it. And then...
Now, I'm not sure if this is compatible with the other brands.
It is.
Like with Lego brands, because this is
They're all the
Brickcraft.
same.
Some are compatible and some are not, but
these are. I guarantee if I go take like all my Legos
possibly.
I could probably make the same thing.
Oh yeah, you can make the same thing, but I'm talking compatible as in stick together.
Hold on. Oh. That's step 3. You add a lot of pieces.
Cool. Okay.
Now I need one. Oh my. Oh, I do know. Okay. Little block of these and so, hold on.
Where is it supposed to go? Show me where you're looking at.
It's supposed to be right here. And I clearly don't have that piece. Hold on, I might have to go discombobulate a Lego set.
Well, she isn't wrong. She actually is missing a piece out of this whole set. It's supposed to be something like this, but in a 4.
Does it have to be that color?
If you want it to match your radio, then yeah.
I don't know if I have that color.
But she's not wrong because... And she didn't use it in the wrong spot either.
Ow! Squish. Bin. Or one of the Lego bins. They're here somewhere.
Guess what I found?
What was it? Oh well. I don't care. I'm not taking this whole
Didn't
thing
spot
apart
it
to do
until
that.
I moved. Happened to look, and it was.
I'm not. Nope. It's staying like that.
I'm
not
just
taking
saying.
that whole piece apart.
So we were wrong. Found the piece.
I said we were gonna find it after I had it mostly done.
Okay. Just go
I'm
on.
not taking it apart.
You don't have to.
Where am I at? I don't even know. Wait a minute. What? Huh? Oh. That explains it. No. Go there. You go there. You go here. Oh. Okay. Ow. Then go here.
And as you see, they are a little difficult. Some of them are to get together. But it is a nice little
Ouch! Mom, it's biting.
brick set.
Well, okay.
What?
Ow.
What's wrong?
I got it. Never mind.
Okay.
We're good. Oh my gosh. Do I have a hair tie? Where am I at?
What is that? Your Stitch, your Easter present, and your old Daredevil's karate gi that doesn't fit because you guys are all in white now. I mean, all in black now, not white.
I mean, it fits. I just don't wear them.
I'm sure though, For competition, you can.
My lovely Sam and Chloe shirt, yes.
And there's the radio. So, this is really neat. It kind of goes inside and hides in there a little bit. Hey, show it. That's really neat. So until next time, don't forget to like,
subscribe, share, hit that bell, stay on my peeps. I'll see you next time. Peace. And always make sure you look for the other pieces before you go scavenging for another one.